And we're going to be covering the whole spectrum of categories. We'll be covering electronics with phones from our platinum partners, Transsion, which is Infinix, Tecno, itel. Phones at, we will be having phones at 8999, 9499. We will be also covering TVs from Vision, but also all the other brands that are in the market, but all the way to the other categories that people have come to shop online and been accustomed to now. So we have groceries, we will have beauty with Garnier, we will be having home, we will be having any category that people can think of buying offline, they will be seeing it on the platform when they come to Jumia Black Friday.
Considering
question. So we are very, very cognizant of that issue, right? It's been a tough year for everyone, the consumers, but also the vendors on the platform. We are all coming together as an ecosystem right now, not just Jumia, but also the brands, the partners, the vendors, everyone to bring down the prices. The phrase for this year's Black Friday is Dil Jaleo Beya Jana. We really want people feel comfortable when they come to the platform and see prices they hadn't seen for a while. Very, very cognizant of that, how inflation has affected people's pockets. We really hope that when they come to Black Friday platform, to Jumia platform during Black Friday, they will see prices that will make it. In a brand that we push on the platform for always, since we started. When Jumia started, we started obviously with electronics. We were known a lot as the phone brand. The reality is that people have started to buy other things online, but phones remain a key category. And we really want to keep growing that category and grow with Transsion partner, with Infinix, Tecno, itel, as phones that people will see as the best prices available. It's a normal, I think, evolution of people feeling comfortable to buy online. As people shop online one time, two times, they'll become more comfortable with it, and it becomes part of their natural habits. It's a natural transition. I'm sure that we will get to the digits that we're seeing in other countries, such as 15% in the UK or whatnot. That's just a matter of time and evolution. What we can make as Jumia for the customers is to make that transition smoother by availing free shipping, by availing cash on delivery, so that people feel comfortable buying online and only paying when they see the good. And that's something that we fully avail to our customers. Thank you.
Just now, Jumia is a very popular purchase platform, and it has been in Kenya here over the years. So we are also a manufacturer that working in this land for long in Kenya. So I think it's a great opportunity to cooperate in. Actually, maybe I can understand that it is asking our market share, something like that. So I can say for these three brands, we are working in Kenya here because we are providing what consumer needed, and our market share, it is over 50% right now, yes. Compared with the offline, of course, right now offline is still the major channel that consumers are purchasing. You can purchase the phone from any of the retail shop very easily. But as what Juan just now say, the population now purchase on e-commerce is still in a low range. So that's why we want to use this opportunity for Black Friday to bring more consumers get used to purchase on e-commerce platform. Yes, most popular e-commerce platform right now. So that's why I think we are also the most popular mobile brand. So why not? It's a great opportunity to cooperate.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.